Milford FC chairman and head coach Dr. Kanti Pupuma has revealed to Sunday World publication that his phone has never stopped ringing, with many clubs inquiring about some of his players. This comes after they defeated Kaizer Chiefs in the Nedbank Cup 2 weeks ago, pulling off an incredible upset of the Soweto powerhouses in the opening round of the David versus Goliath Cup competition. He said, "I can confirm to you that after the Chiefs game, my phone has not stopped ringing, with many clubs inquiring about some of my players. And in my mind, I'm like, I'm preparing these boys for myself next season. I obviously can't disclose to you the names of those clubs, but it's been really crazy. Goalkeeper Siphamandla Hleza and midfielders Siyabonga Nzama and Olwethu Cele were some of the standout players for the Motsepe Foundation Championship side." The coach said, "Hleza has been with us for a while now. He came, left and rejoined us. So he is somebody that I know very well. He is a typical modern goalkeeper because he organizes his defense very well. In matches, he doesn't make a lot of saves, but because of good organization at the back, he was able to shine against the Chiefs." Nzama is one of the kids that were signed this season after we spotted him at Under-19 tournament. Zikakayo and Jabulile Kakoshe are the young boys we have on the team. Then there is also Olwethu Cele, who knows that he is short but has a big heart and character. He makes it hard for the opponents to deal with him. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.